Hey everyone, this is Yusha Abdullah. Today I am going to show you a complete full stack responsive social media web application using MERN stack. This is WeebNation, a social media platform for anime lovers. You can log in here if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up from here. Now I am going to create an account to show you how the registration process works. Now the register is complete. Now I am going to log in my account. This is WeebNation. In our home page, we have a very clean looking website. We have a number of different widgets. This is a user widget. Here you can post, you can write something, you can add an image, you can edit the image, you can delete the image. I am going to create and post to show you how it works. As you can see, the most recent post comes up to the top. In our home page, you can see all the posts the other users posted as well as your own post. You can like or dislike any post. You can add a friend and it updates the friend list on the right side. You can also see the comments in any post. Currently the comment option is for view only. I will add commenting feature in the next update. You can go to your own profile to see the friend list, your user info and your posts, or you can also go to other person's profile. You can see their informations, their friend list and their posts. And more importantly, everything is full responsive here. So you can see the exact same website on a smaller screen with modified adjustments for everything. The most important fact is everything, all the information you can see on this page is all coming from backend APIs that is built from scratch. Everything is retrieving from Mongo database that I also created. So for everything from API calls, the information you set, the user interface I created, everything is coming from data I have added and configured. You can also log out. The technology I used in this development is MERN stack, which represents MongoDB, Express, React and Node. More specifically, for front end, I used React framework, React router for navigation, Formic and Yup for form and form validation, Redux toolkit for state management, Redux persist to store in local storage, and React drop zone for image uploads. For backend, I used Node.js as my runtime, Express.js as my backend framework, Mongoose for managing my Mongo database, JSON Web Token for authentication, and Multer for file upload. This is my first project done with MERN stack. Hope you will like it. Thank you.